Deep Learning for Beginners. A comprehensive introduction of deep learning fundamentals for beginners to understand frameworks, neural networks, large data sets, and creative applications with ease. Written by Stephen Cooper. Narrated by Cris Neeten. Copyright 2018 Stephen Cooper. All rights reserved. No part of this guide may be reproduced in any form without permission in writing from the publisher except in the cases of review. Preface. The main purpose of this audiobook is to provide the reader with the most elementary knowledge of deep learning fundamentals so that they can understand what these are all about. Audiobook objectives. This audiobook will help you know more about the fundamental principles of deep learning and what different frameworks, networks, and applications exist, have an elementary grasp of deep learning concepts and tools that will make this work easier to do, have achieved a technical background in deep learning and appreciate its power. Target users. The audiobook is designed for a variety of target audiences. The most suitable users would include newbies in computer science techniques and deep learning, professionals in deep learning and social sciences, professors, lecturers, or tutors who are looking to find better ways to explain the content to their students in the simplest and easiest way, students and academians, especially those focusing on deep learning and software development. Is this audiobook for me? This audiobook is for those who are interested in deep learning. There are a lot of skills that a data scientist needs, such as coding, intellectual mindset, eagerness to make new discoveries, and much more. It's important that you are interested in this because you are obsessed with this kind of work. Little programming experience is required. If you already wrote a few lines of code and recognize basic programming statements, then this audiobook is for you. Introduction. Deep learning refers to learning approaches that attempt modeling of data with complex forms, combining different nonlinear types of transformations. The fundamental building blocks of deep learning are neural networks, which are placed in combination in order to form deep neural networks. These methods have allowed for significant advancement within the fields of image and sound processing, in technologies such as language processing and facial recognition, automated language processing, and text classification. The potential applications for this technology are endless. Conventional machine approaches did not have the capacity to process natural data in its raw form. For a number of years, construction of a pattern or machine learning system needed engineering and expertise of the domain to generate the design of feature extractors, which allowed the raw data that included pixel values to transform into a suitable facsimile of feature vectors, where the learning system could identify or organize patterns within the input. As such, this audiobook will consider the essentials of deep learning for novices in the subject, and tackle fundamental lexicon such as the difference between machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. The audiobook will also consider the deep learning frameworks which are preferable and available. As the audiobook delves deeper into the concepts, you will be shown how to build various algorithms like deep convolutional networks, general adversarial networks, and recurrent neural networks. You will also know how to apply the algorithms for exploring creative applications, such as training devices to recognize objects within an image, and the ways to learn deep learning in general. Deep learning is making advances in explaining issues which have been
Sample complete. Ready to continue?